Hello everyone, my name is Alex and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the spy gear superstore. Today I'm here to talk to you about the real-time GL miniature GPS tracker. Let this little device help track down your peace of mind. But first, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and remember to subscribe to our channel and ding the notification bell for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com, and if you would like to purchase this product, click on the link in the upper right-hand corner of the video, or click on the link in the description below. Here is the GL miniature tracker. It's only 3 inches long and weighs practically nothing, but it's a giant in the GPS industry. Activated by a 3-axis accelerometer sensing motion, the internal rechargeable battery can last for days on a single charge, depending on use. As a real-time tracker, you may log in on a smartphone application or a computer to find where it's located at any moment.
Alrighty guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that the GL miniature GPS tracker comes with. So the first thing you'll notice on top is the SIM card information for the actual tracker, so definitely keep your hands on that. And then of course, we do have the tracker itself. So taking a look at it, it's very small in stature, could easily be concealed anywhere when it comes down to it. So of course we do have a power button on top, and then on the right hand side you'll have the SIM card slot as well as the USB charge port. So that is where you'll be able to plug it into a wall adapter, computer, any type of USB to actually get the device charged up and ready to go. Saying that, it does come with a couple extra components, so we do have a screwdriver as well as some replacement screws for the SIM card just in case you ever need to replace it, the USB charge cable, and the USB wall adapter for the device.
At SpyCentre Security, we do not wish to lock you down into years-long contracts, so we offer a simple month-to-month payment system. We want you to have the flexibility to save money and track only when you need to. This subscription service is required for the GPS beacon to operate and send the collected information to the servers where you log in.
Okay, this is what you should see, something like this, when you log in to the system for the GL miniature GPS tracker or the Smart Box or the GV50 GPS trackers. Here will be listed all the GPS trackers, the location, the last updated location where it had been when it last updated at December 7th, 2021, 11:56 a.m. Here would show the battery state, and over here is the trips section where you can see where it went throughout that day, the path that it took, and the different trips that it did take. So let's take a look here. Hit the play button and it will go from doggy daycare down the freeway to the Plano storefront. And there is the speed at which it was that it updated, the mileage during the trip, and the time frame when it actually did update. You can print this whole thing right from that print button here, or you can hit the reports section to print any reports related to speed, mileage, or even regarding your geofences and points of interest that you have added to locations such as schools, businesses, home addresses, or anything else of interest.
This motion-activated tracking system enables a long battery life, even in such a tiny housing. With no motion to trigger an update, it can last on standby for up to 400 hours. With updates every 5 minutes, it can last up to about 120 hours or 180 hours with 10-minute updates. Such a long standby battery makes the GL miniature GPS tracker a perfect solution for monitoring farm equipment left out in the field, toolboxes stored at a job site, or company or personal vehicles. All the previous historical location data can also be brought up on a Google Maps interface to reveal the path the tracker took to get there. The tracking platform can generate reports based on many types of analytics collected from the location data. Use reports detailing start and stop times, frequently visited locations, state line crossings, and more to manage a company fleet or your own family vehicles. Geofences are one of the most popular features of GPS tracking software, which are borders that you can create on a map over job sites, offices, schools, or your own home. Whenever a GPS beacon crosses one of these borders, it will update the server and show this instance on a geofence crossing report. We recommend using a battery-powered GPS tracker with a weatherized magnetic case so that it can go on the outside of a vehicle and withstand the elements. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and ding that bell for notifications on our newest videos. If you want to check out this product, I'm going to put the link in the top right-hand corner of the video and in the description below. On top of accepting all major credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal, SpyCentre Security is now accepting other cashless, secure payment options, including Apple Pay, Google Pay, Bitcoin, and many other cryptocurrencies. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Post a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.